Hi everyone, welcome to another video by Optionables. My name is Saket, and in this video I had told that I'll be showing you how to build something similar to Sensibull and Opstra on Excel. Even I am a beginner, but I just know how to use some formulas. So based on that, I have built something which is similar to Sensibull and Opstra, but it will just show you the payoff graph. It won't show you option Greeks or it won't show you anything of that sort. So I thought of making a video where I will teach to build everything. But the thing is, I myself took around 3 to 4 hours to build the entire thing, and it was quite complicated. Even I was getting confused in many places. So that's the reason I thought instead of that, I'll just give it out to you guys for free. I will attach the link in description, also in the comment section. Just download it and you will be able to use it for free. And I will just show you how exactly to use it. So maybe if a pro Excel person who knows Excel really well looks at my formula, he will be laughing at me, because even I am a beginner, not really great at it. So whatever I know, I have just tried to put everything together and build this. So I hope you guys like it. So you can download it from the link below in the description as well as comment, and you're free to use it. So I'll just be attaching the link to that as well. So I am so sorry since I couldn't actually show you how exactly to build it. And we have also gone through most of the comments, and as you guys have asked us, we will be coming out with videos on option Greeks, videos on collateral, how to use collateral as a margin. We'll also come out with videos on how to do virtual trading for free, and also how exactly to see that if your broker is charging you extra or not. So these are the videos lined up in the upcoming weeks, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Before we start this video, I want you to download this Excel sheet. So I have attached the link to this Excel sheet in the description, and it will also be attached as a pinned comment. So if you open the comment section, the very first comment you see will be a pinned comment having the link to download this Excel sheet. Otherwise, you can also check the description. The very first link in the description will be to download this Excel sheet. And after you download this Excel sheet and open this Excel sheet, you're going to get a screen something similar to this. As I told you earlier, even I know very little of Excel. With whatever I know, I have tried to build something very simple. And this is going to give you a very basic payoff graph, just to visualize how your option strategy payoff will look. So it is not very advanced, which is going to give you option Greeks, probability, everything, but it will do a good job in giving you a basic visualization of a payoff graph. So that will help you understand your risk as well as reward. Right, here as soon as you open, you see lot of cells colored in yellow. And these are the only cells you have to edit. So there is no need to edit any other cell. So these are the only cells you will have to make some changes. And these two cells on the top are the most important. So we are now going to see how to actually use this Excel file and get a payoff graph. So when we see on top, we find two things. One is called as current price, one is called as interval. So what you have to do is, whatever may be the stock, let's say it's Nifty or Bajaj Finance or Reliance, whatever might be the stock, you will have to enter the current market price of the same. So here today Nifty, the last traded price or the current price is 15,670. So you can see here, as soon as I write 15,670, right? Here you observe the top row. As soon as I type and hit enter, everything is going to change to 15,700. Now I will have to give interval. So what is this interval? That is difference between the strikes. For example, here you see 15,700, 750, 800, 850. So the interval is 50, right? So you will have to write this down. So interval is 50. So as soon as I change the interval and hit enter, you see everything here changes. So it changes from 14,700, 750, 800, 850. So it gets added in intervals. So I am going to show one more example. Let's say instead of Nifty, we end up selecting, say, ITC. So here I have selected ITC. So the current price of ITC is 209.55. I am going to enter that. And I am also going to enter the interval as 2.5. So you can see here 210, 207.5, 205, 202.5. So the interval is 2.5. So this is one thing which you will have to do. First enter the current price as well as the interval. So after you are done with that, now you have further more columns to be filled, columns and rows to be filled, and that is, you can see here, the first 6 is only dedicated to call options and the next 6 is only dedicated to put options. So make a note of this because you won't be able to change this cell. As soon as you try to make a change, you are going to get an error message. So these are dedicated to calls only and these are dedicated to puts only. So it is very important to make a note of this. So we'll take a new example of Bank Nifty. I am going to select Bank Nifty. The current price of Bank Nifty is somewhere around 35,291 and the interval is 100. So you can see it's 27,800, 900, 28,000. So what I am going to do here is I am going to say buy 36,000 call option. So I am going to buy 36,000 call option. Strike price is 36,000. Buy or sell. As soon as I click that, you have a drop down here. I am going to click on this drop down and select buy. Price. The current price of call option of 36,000 is 173 rupees. So I am just going to type 175 and I am going to buy 2 lots. So as soon as I hit enter, you see all of this change, right? So the first row changes as well as the total profit changes. And now I am going to show you the payoff graph. Your payoff graph is going to look something similar to this. So you can see here, as long as Bank Nifty is below 36,200, you are going to lose money. And the moment it goes above 36,200, you are going to make money. And this is going to tell you your total P&L. So at 36,200, you are going to have 50 rupees profit. If Bank Nifty by expiry goes to 36,300, you are going to have around 250 rupees profit. Similarly, if it goes to around 37,000, you are going to have around 1,650 rupees profit. And if it comes down anywhere, you are going to have a loss of 350 rupees. So always remember, if you feel there is some error and after you are done with one payoff graph, click on the reset button. So the moment you click on reset button, everything gets reset. And even if you face some error, just click on the reset button and everything is reset. So current price of Bank Nifty, I am going to enter again, that is 35,291. Interval is 100. So I am going to do a short straddle or I am going to do an iron fly. So what I will do is I will short 35,400 calls as well as puts at 400 rupees and 360 rupees. So first I am going to enter data for calls. Strike price is 35,400. Calls I am going to short and price is at 400. I am going to short one lot. And here I am also going to short one lot of 35,400 puts at 360. So put data I am entering here. 35,400 put, I am going to short one lot at 360. And next, since I am doing an iron fly, I will buy 1000 points away. That is at 36,400. I'll buy it at 89 rupees. 36,400 calls, I am buying at 89 rupees, one lot. And I am also going to buy a put, that is 34,400 at 75 rupees. Puts at 75 rupees, one lot. So you can see here, as soon as I enter this, you are going to get some values here. Now I am going to go to graph and my graph is going to look something like this. So if Bank Nifty is staying between 34,700 as well as 36,100, I am going to make some profit. So if it goes beyond that, my loss gets restricted to 404 rupees beyond that. So you can see that you have a very nice payoff chart here. So this will basically just help you visualize your strategy and get a rough idea. Whatever option trade you do, you can just put it out here and it is going to give you the payoff graph. This is also available on Sensibull as well as Opstra. But since Sensibull and Opstra is paid, I thought some of you might be interested in having a small Excel file which is going to help you get the same data. So that's the reason I built this Excel file and I'll be sharing it with you. Please do download this and I hope it will be of some use to you in your option trading. Once you're done with everything, just click on the reset button and you're good to go. Everything is zero and you can continue with your new strategy. So this is the basic payoff graph, and I wanted to actually teach you how to code this or how to write the formula for this, but the thing is it is going to take a lot of time. As I told you in the intro video also, it personally took me around 3 to 4 hours to write formula for this entire thing. So we have provisions for 6 call options as well as 6 put options, and in case if you need any extra, you definitely let me know. I will add that and I will be giving it to you. Thank you so much for joining, guys.